Welcome to Microsoft Power BI hands-on course. Before we start, allow me to introduce myself. I am Shobhan Naik. I have been working with Power BI since 2020 and have worked on almost 20 dashboards for my company. Now, if you are looking for a hands-on project-based approach to learn Power BI, you have come to the right place. We will build an end-to-end business intelligence solution for Adventure Works, a global manufacturing company. Our journey will begin with introduction to Power BI, connecting and shaping data, creating data models, using DAX for calculations, visualizations, and dynamic visualizations. All backed by homework assignments, quizzes, downloadable project files, and resources. And most importantly, one-on-one expert support. So what do you say? Ready to dive in? Let's get started.